Welcome to the channel of International Relations by Federal Urdu University of Science and Technology. Today, we will review the book, Turkish Foreign Policy 1 by Anadolu University. This book offers a comprehensive overview of Turkey's foreign policy, examining its history, strategies, and the geopolitical challenges it faces today. Let's jump right in. This book is edited by Professor Dr. Necdet Dogan and Professor Dr. Ahmet Sozan, while each of 7 chapters are written by a different author. Chapter 1 sets the stage by discussing the determinants of Turkish foreign policy. It covers the key factors that have historically shaped Turkey's international stance, including its geopolitical position, security concerns, and cultural ties. The chapter provides a solid foundation for understanding the country's foreign policy trajectory. Chapter 2 takes us back to the early years of the Turkish Republic, covering the period from 1923 to 1938. It explores the diplomatic strategies implemented by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk to establish Turkey's sovereignty and independence. The chapter provides insights into the challenges faced by the new nation and its efforts to secure international recognition. Chapter 3 examines Turkish foreign policy during the Second World War, focusing on Turkey's strategy of neutrality during the conflict. It delves into the delicate balancing act Turkey maintained between the Axis and Allied powers, and the diplomatic maneuvering necessary to preserve the nation's interests during this tumultuous period. In Chapter 4, the book explores Turkish foreign policy during the Cold War era, from 1945 to 1990. Turkey's alignment with NATO and the Western Bloc, as well as its strategic importance in containing the Soviet Union, are discussed. The chapter highlights how Turkey navigated its alliances while facing regional and global challenges. Chapter 5 covers the period from 1990 to 2007, when Turkey pursued a path towards European integration. The chapter discusses the politics of Europeanization and Turkey's bid for EU membership, analyzing the impact of this process on its foreign policy decisions and domestic reforms. Chapter 6 shifts the focus to the concept of strategic depth, from 2007 to 2017. This chapter explores Turkey's assertive and independent foreign policy approach under the leadership of Ahmet Davutoglu, who introduced the doctrine. It examines how Turkey sought to expand its influence regionally and globally during this time. Lastly, Chapter 7 discusses Turkey's use of public diplomacy and soft power in its recent foreign policy strategies. The chapter highlights how Turkey leverages its cultural and humanitarian efforts to strengthen its international image and relationships, aiming to enhance its global influence through non-coercive means. This is Anum Jasseem. I have curated this video on book Turkish Foreign Policy 1 by Anadolu University. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the book review and have quick overview of what this book holds. In summary, Turkish Foreign Policy 1 provides a comprehensive analysis of Turkey's diplomatic history and its evolving role on the global stage. Each chapter offers a detailed examination of different eras and strategies in Turkish foreign policy, making it a valuable resource for anyone interested in understanding this important aspect of international relations.